It's no secret that the tropics are active. Of course, we've been talking about Sally for quite some time. This formed yesterday from Tropical Depression 19 and made its way over South Florida. It strengthened. It's now Tropical Storm Sally in the Gulf. There's another area of low pressure in the Gulf that has a low chance of developing, but that's moving away from the United States. We're still tracking Hurricane Paulette. That's headed toward Bermuda. We've got Tropical Depression RENE, Tropical Depression 20, another tropical wave on the coast of Africa, and one more behind that, because why not? It's September. Hurricane Paulette headed for Bermuda as a Category 1, maybe a Category 2 hurricane over the next couple of days, but then it's going to recurve out to sea. This is Tropical Depression RENE, kind of just meandering out in the Atlantic. Both of those no threat to the United States. There's Tropical Depression 20. This one formed off a tropical wave that came off the coast of Africa a couple days ago. This one's going to continue to make its way off to the west-northwest, turning more north of west by the time we get to the middle of the week, strengthening as it does so. Right now, this one doesn't look like it will be a threat to the United States, but we're still going to continue to watch that as we go into the next few days, of course. And then closer to home, there's Sally. Sally's strengthening in the Gulf of Mexico right now. Maximum winds are at 50 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. And that west component there, that means it's headed away from the Tampa Bay area, but it is strengthening, and it's going to continue to strengthen as it moves toward the northern Gulf Coast here, possibly becoming a Category 2, maybe even a Category 3 storm before landfall. And as it approaches land, it's going to be stalling out as well. So it's going to be a significant issue, unfortunately, for the northern Gulf Coast. But there's still some spread on exactly where it's going to make landfall. I do think we're going to see some significant storm surge, though, up there, some flooding rains, and the possibility, of course, for those hurricane force winds. Locally, we're dealing with the effects of Sally right now. We've got a lot of rain falling along Sarasota and Manatee at this point, and it's been falling overnight as well. A couple of fast-moving downpours inland. As we go through the day, just like yesterday, we're going to increase the coverage of those downpours. At the coast this morning, though, that heavy rain is going to continue to fall. This afternoon, those downpours will increase in coverage. They will contain those gusty winds, and then those winds will start to die down as we go into the overnight hours. And that's because Sally will start to pick up some speed there and move away from the area. But right now, we're dealing with those winds up to 30 miles per hour, and those gusts even higher than that, right along the coast anyway. You can see that wind on the flag there. Temperature's not too bad of a start in the mid-70s. We're going to top out in the mid to upper 80s today, and that's thanks because we're going to see some cloud cover out there, some peaks of sun. Tomorrow, very similar story, just not quite as breezy, but those rain chances at a 60%.